WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to add fingerprint protection on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select Settings. From list of settings, let's choose Security and Location. Choose here the fingerprint and tap fingerprint again. So here we've got the instructions, let's tap next. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to choose some backup screen load method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. You can also require pattern and the screen lock to start up the device. In my case, let me choose no. Now let's use the pattern, tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Alright, so here you can also hide the notifications if you would like to. In my case, let me show all of them. Let's tap done. Here let me tap the sensor. Let's just find the fingerprint sensor. The sensor is located right here at the back of the device. Let's just start tapping the sensor just to save the whole fingerprint. That's it, fingerprint added. So now you can also add another one if you would like to, or you can simply tap done right here. Alright, now if you would like to lock your device, let's press power key. As you can see, the pattern pops up, so let's enter the pattern. But you can also activate your device by using the fingerprint. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.